ain't gonna like that. I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. Same old nigga from the block. Same old nigga with the pop. Same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on her, then he got.
Hey y'all, Kobe here, back with another video, and today we are doing my Man Bun tutorial. So if you are new, my name is Kobe Lomax. I make all types of natural hair videos to help you guys out and whatever you guys need help with. So a lot of times I'll take video suggestions from questions that you guys leave in the comments. So if you have any natural hair questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments right now. And also if you are new, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the little bell notification so you don't miss anything. Now, y'all been asking for this one. So if you guys don't know, I posted a picture on Instagram a few months back. I think it might have been like January of 2018. And I don't want to say the picture went viral, but a lot of people liked it, you feel me? It was on the Explore page a few times, and y'all just kept asking, make a video on this. Are you making a video on this? How did you do this? Can you tell us how to do this? And everybody was just asking. So I say, you know what? I'm gonna make a video, and I made a video. It didn't turn out that good. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna scratch that. I'm gonna make a new good one the next time I do this style. So I did it again, and what do you know? Y'all was in my DMs like, yo, are you making a video? When the video coming? So here it is. So I start off by parting my hair on the side in the size that I want the twist to be. So if you want chunky, big twists, then do a big section. If you want smaller twists, do a smaller section. But there's really no rule or set instructions for this step. You kind of just part off to the side and then, you know, just go back with where you want your twist to be and where you want your part to be. And for my fellas out there who don't know what parting is or don't know how to part, parting is basically just a way to separate the hair that you're going to be working with from the rest of your hair on your head. And so how you do it is you just pull the hair apart where you want it to be parted, you know, just roughly. This is just rough. And then you take a comb, the end of a comb, and you run it down a line, and all the hair on like the left side of the comb, you're going to pull to the left side, and all the hair on the right side of the comb, you're going to pull to the right side. And this gives you a nice clean separation of your hair between the hair that you're going to be working with and the hair that you're not working with at the moment. And then once you get to the back, you want to sort of go straight downward with it, because you don't want your twist to be all like diagonal and raggedy looking in the back. So you just go straight down with the comb once you get to the back of your head, and that's just how you'll separate the hair that you're going to be doing the first flat twist, because the sides of this hairstyle are just flat twists. So in today's video, we're going to be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss line Twist and Shout Cream. Oh, now I'm gonna give y'all the tea on this product. So it's like a mixture between a cream and a gel. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but it's kind of fun, you know. Before I get into the details, we're just gonna go ahead and rub this on our hair and get it all on this section before we start our twist. Now this product smells really, really freaking good. Like when I say really good, I mean like really good. Like really good. Okay, now it was a little moisturizing, but it really wasn't that moisturizing. Like I would not be buying this again. It just was not, it wasn't like, oh my god, you know, it wasn't really a shocker. Like the Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In Conditioner and the Avocado Hair Milk, those are like, oh my good, you feel me? This didn't really have me like, oh my good. It was just like, eh. And then I didn't like the fact that this product does not absorb into your hair easily. Like, you know, you're gonna see throughout the video, I'm gonna have a lot of white stuff on my hair because it does not absorb easily. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take a wide tooth comb and detangle. I normally use my Denman brush because it gets a smoother detangle, but I couldn't find it at the moment, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my comb. But yeah, this product was okay, but I wouldn't be buying it again. This is not gonna be a staple for me. And I just want to throw this in there to keep it, you know, bring it back to reality, keep it real with y'all, keep it 1,000 with y'all. We ain't even keeping it 100, we're keeping it 1,000. But you see that little water dripping down the side of my face? Yeah, this ain't cute. I just had to throw that out there because these other YouTubers are making it seem like it's all cute and it's all not messy. I have to clean the mirror every single time after I finish doing my hair. It ain't cute. Water be splashing, product be splashing. It be all over the place. The floor be all soaking wet. You feel, okay, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit. But I just want to keep it real with y'all because they be making it look real nice and real cute. And then they be having you thinking you're doing something wrong. When I'm gonna be the first to tell you, it ain't that cute. And then I'm just gonna top it off with some coconut oil. And there are a lot of other oils that I use. I normally use my DIY oil, which I will be making a video on, but I ran out of it and I need to make some more. So yeah, that video is gonna be coming very, very soon. So stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, then you don't wanna miss that. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so that you see when I upload it. But we're just gonna work the coconut oil onto our hair and then we are going to start the twist. So how these twists go, right, is you just take 2 pieces and you just start a regular twist, but then with the bottom, you're going to twist it twice, and then with the bottom section, you're going to pinch some of the hair, right? So pinch some of that hair and then go ahead and twist that into, the twist. And then take the bottom section again, pinch some of the hair. You want a nice pinch because you want that hair to be smooth. You don't want it to be all frizzy and puffy and loose. You want it to be nice and tight. So, but not too tight that you're pulling your hair out and stuff like that, but you know what I'm saying. So then you just, take the bottom piece, pinch the hair behind it that you want to add to the twist, and then separate it with your thumb, and then go ahead and twist it, right? It's pretty simple. It takes a little practice, but like, if you watch this video and you try to follow along and you just pinch, separate the hair and then twist it, it'll go good. And I'm not the best at doing this, but I've been getting better over time, and every time I've done this, I've gotten better and better and better. So it's something that really just takes practice. Everything takes practice. Now I'm just going to speed this up. I'm just doing this for the next 4 twists. So yeah, enjoy. When I get to the part of the twist where I'm not connecting it to my head anymore, in a sense, I go ahead and just twist it like a regular old twist, like a regular, manicular twist. And then I go ahead and I just like finger coil the end of it, just so that the ends are like coiled up and they're not just out, being raggedy and whatnot, because they be getting into trouble when they just be out. So, you gotta coil them janks up, get them right, you feel me? Then I just go ahead and repeat the same steps that I did for the first twist. So go ahead and part it, get it right, get your comb, get that part right, get it sliced up, you feel me? And then go ahead and add the product, work it in your hair, detangle with it, make sure you get all the kinks and knots out, get the product evenly distributed through your hair, and then go ahead and start another twist. Take the 2 sections, twist it up, feed the hair into the bottom section, go all the way back to the back of your head, twist that twist up, and go ahead and coil it around your fingers. Just wiping the water dripping down my face, keeping it real like a crappy meal. Hey y'all, I think this is a look. But now when I do the inside twist, I still, do all the regular steps. But this time when I part the section as thick as I want the twist to be. But then when I get to the back, I make sure to put the part right down the middle of the back of my head, because this is what's really going to split the whole style in the back. And so if it's not right in the middle, then it's going to look kind of funky. So you want to part it like normal. But then once you get to the back of your head, like the middle of your head, you want to take it straight down the middle of the back of your head. So that way, that part is even in the back, because that part in the back shows. I don't know if I just explained that right, but I think you get it. And then the rest of the steps are the same. And now for your bun. Now this is probably the simplest part, but you're going to go ahead and just work the product into the hair that's going to be your bun. This product does not have a lot of slip, so it's kind of hard to detangle with it. But you just want to work the product into your bun, get that hair moisturized. You don't want to leave that hair out. And then you're going to go ahead and put it up in a like little ponytail. And what I like to do is pull the ponytail back towards like the middle of my head. And I don't like to have it towards the front of my head because I just feel like it looks funny. So pull it sort of back a little bit. It just gives you a better look. And then that's the end of the style. It's really pretty simple. You just play with the bun until you get it, to look presentable or how you want it to look. And then it looks kind of funny while it's wet. So you can hit it with a blow dryer, or you can just let it air dry. But once it dries, it starts to get bigger and it starts to stand up like a bun. And then you set. You good to go. You rocking and rolling and losing controlling. You feel me? There's the white stuff I was talking about. Now, y'all know I ain't gonna forget about my edges, Y'all already know that. Y'all know that. Y'all should know better if you thought that was the end of the video. But if you knew, I'll give you a break. But I'm using the Eco Styler Krystal Gel. I just like it. I'm almost out of it. It smells really good. Like, really. ago, okay? So I just put some on the toothbrush, and recently I haven't been really wetting the brush or my hair, so I just be like going at it, you feel me? If I need water, I'll add water, but a lot of times I don't, like, so I just brush the hair down, and then I just sort of like, I've made edges videos on this channel, so if you want to check some of them out, there they are. Go ahead, check them out. On this type of style, your hair is pulled back, it's out of your face, so your edges like really have to look right. Like, it's like mandatory. Like, if you don't, you'll get an F, and then you'll fail, and then you won't graduate. So yeah, and I know y'all getting close to graduation, so just go ahead, do your edges, don't be lazy, you know, stick it through. You almost out, you almost done. Let's get it, let's grind, let's make it to the end, because if you don't make it to the end, then you raggedy.
Let me come by and raise you. I make you feel right. Sony girl, that's my baby, my lady, so shady, she played me all night long and I showed it. S-H-E, she knows me, she knows I can't, she gon' see and hear everything, see and hear everything. You look deep inside, show me what you find, girl. Secrets of my mind, turn darkness to light. She know everything.
I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, then you already know the deal with that. Additionally, there will be 2 videos right over here for you guys to watch. So if you are interested in seeing either of those, then go ahead and make that happen. And I will see you guys in my next video.
She gon' see